Welcome to another video on my BeagleBoard Classic, which runs Ubuntu Linux. Hidden behind this construction. Connected to this monitor, which is currently inactive but necessary for booting. Also connected to a serial cable, which is also necessary for booting, and connected to a network cable via this USB hub, necessary for virtual network computing. Connected to Robo interface and programmed in Python to control this roller tag or marble run. Last time I reconstructed the looping and I made a change with this lower curve, and I still have to test things. Last time I also tested all of this, which is the change of the trajectory, either this one or that one. This one just works, this one doesn't always work, because for some reason the balls either get stuck here, 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 or they run the entire run. And this part still has to be improved, because balls tend to go back a bit and that they are not being picked up by the magnet right here. So just now I tried to demonstrate or to find out if I can connect these two parts. Right now they are just held back by this, and that turns out not to be the case. So I'll show what the difference is, and then I'll have to go back to testing the lower part of the track. So let's go see. Alright, software part. This is the serial connection, which starts here. This is on the computer side, the laptop side, and then the complete booting. I had a little mistake with entering VNC, but that's not a problem anymore. So here I should add Minicom. Of course, the camera on the whole track. Diagnose interface. I hope I don't need it, but if necessary it's there. Then Python code with definition, and then continuous run with some switches. And why doesn't this work like it should? Anyway, with 3 motors, a few switches to manipulate the motor, and some change on the motor. But let's now take the camera and point it at this part of the track where it is now not connected. Okay, and let me do this, is slightly better. So I had connected the parts right like this. Some better lighting is desired. And then with a ball like this one, and mind this position. I put the ball right on top, and there you have the ball. It stays there. Taking the ball away, put this loose, once again ball at top of the track. Oh, that's another difference. Wait, yeah, right here you can see that it is not exactly level. Now it is level. So let's do it again. And there it does go. So yeah, this part should not be connected. Why keeping this one? Well, I think because otherwise you have another problem. Anyway, that was a short experiment. Let's focus on that part, because that part still has unfortunate issues. And let's take one of the balls again, but I will first have to change track right there, right here. So I have to make it nice with this one. And that's good. And now you already see what is happening right here. So, yeah, let me put the balls into the lower track part. And now another thing happens, which I didn't see coming. This one. This is not good at all. Already a ball dropped off, but this is not nice. So whatever happens, and there goes another one, I'll have to stop it. Ouch. Yeah, there goes the rest. Okay, so much for the track. Stop it. Why does this happen? I don't know. Oops. Right, little change, little reconstruction. This is the 7.5 degrees part replaced by a 15 degrees part. Result, I put this one on top again, and that goes way faster. Still not alright, but at least it doesn't lose that much speed anymore. Although this result is still not very nice. No, not desired. So what can I do here, if anything? If this is higher, I drop it right here. There it goes. So basically this part should be lifted somehow. What happens if I let it all run? Let me just do that. And there goes one stray. Let's ignore it. Oops. Another oops. Waiting for another ball to come. And I'm lifting this part of the track now. Yeah. Okay, assume everything has been going. No! That is certainly not the ending that I had hoped for. Except for that one. which is nice, and I have to really lift this up. So why is this one not working? Oh, yeah, because one of the connectors is out of the motor. Now it works. And then this is of course another problem. As is this one. But let's stop this and see if I can help this one first with a little elevation of some sorts. And I still have to think about it. And with a little reconstruction I come to this new support, and this has been changed, not tested yet. So manually again, well, in this case halfway, because it doesn't really matter, and that is not obviously not the idea. Okay, one from the top again, and that means that what happens. So I'm not quite convinced, but let's put the camera on its tripod again. Yeah. And let's see what the program does with this here. And let's run it. Hopefully with a little bit better result. Not really. And grabbing a straight marble again. And that one goes through the end. That one goes through the end. That one as well. This one stays here. So then here one again. That one goes nice. And then the last one in stock doesn't go all the way. And then this gets stuck. Why does it get stuck? Because of that. So here I need some improvement, definitely. But this one I don't like either. Once again stuck. So is this an improvement? I am not quite sure. Anyway, okay, that goes one to the end. Does that one do it as well? Yes. And that one as well, and that one too. So one reconstruction here for the speed and one construction here to give it some extra energy. And I think I'll leave it at that for now. Yeah. Right, and in the meantime, the magnet lets go suddenly, so now you have this here. Let's see how these behave. Another ball on its way. Will it push the other balls? Yes, it will. And there's another one, but that doesn't go through entirely. This one does. Another one will, yes. So let's see how it will end up. And yes, it does correct itself. Not entirely again. Nope, it doesn't. Not all the way, not always. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, or very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. You can also become a patron, and depending on the pledge you make, may have your name mentioned on website and with some videos. And well, more information on my website, like I said. Everything is written down under this video. To be continued, and as you can see, things don't always go well. Have a nice day, and bye bye.